Hello viewers, we are back after a Shrek amount of time, because my master was very lazy to make a video, so here I am 2 months later, here to make another fun video about cursors, this time for RealWorld Cursor Editor, because we gained 2 more subs. Now onto the video. First install RealWorld Cursor Editor, I will put a link in the description, then click in the left part of the screen where it says Create. You will see numerous options in the screen, called New Mouse Cursor, Cursor from Image, and other stuff, which when you click your option, you can then go to the right side of the screen to choose what cursor size you want to use, and also the background color. Then click Create. So let's start with the pencil tool, which is basically just a pencil. Over here you choose the color and transparency of the thing you want to draw. And over here are the pencil styles you can choose from to make it easier to make a certain shape. And here's the hex code thingy. Now here's the next tool, which is Align, which basically just makes a line and stuff. And here are some stuff that I have no idea about. Over here you can change the line weight. And some dashes. Here's a fill tool to fill the spaces you want with color. Over here are some different fill formats you can play around with. Now here is the eraser tool, which can remove parts of the cursor to make it transparent again, and you can change the format or shape of the eraser, just like the pencil. Here is a drop-down menu of the pencil, and you will see some stuff like brush, which is basically a paintier thing than pencil, and the lasso being for making shapes and stuff. Here is a tool to smoothen the edges of paints. And here is a dropper tool for copying colors. Here are some different line formats and shapes. Here is a very important one, called the hotspot, which is a point in where the cursor will react when you click. So for example, if I make a quick cursor here, and I want to make that when I click, that part of the cursor is affected because it will be the part where I click. You can put the cursor hotspot there in the spot, which you can see with that little green dot. And you can test the cursor's hotspot by going into this section and click and hold to see the little line your cursor hotspot leaves. When you click this button, it will show a window where you can customize a pre-made cursor's fill, second fill, outline color, outline width, tail size, head size, and whether it points northwest, north, or northeast. Press OK, and it will appear in the canvas, and it will be pointing to the hotspot automatically. Here are some other stuff at the top like the clock, 2 loading cursor thingies, and a fire effect, which you can all customize based on your likings. By the way, I am now gonna show you how to make an animated cursor. Let's say that we want to make a cursor that flashes green and blue. You can click this thing to add a new frame. click this thing to copy the frame and click the one beside it to paste the one you copied. Now change the second frame based on your liking, and you can have more than 2 frames and change them all. Here is a selection tool to select, resize, rotate, and delete. These are the animated pre-made cursor stuff thingies that I talked about earlier, which you can customize. Goodbye and see you next time.